Okay, so I've got version 3.6 of QGIS, which is what most of you should have, and it looks a bit different to the one that's in original videos, hence this one. I'm going to add the layer with all the NC file that has the sediment concentrations. So I'm going to do it here. It says to add a raster, but for some of you, adding an NC file that way did not work. So what I suggest you do is just open it directly from the browser. So I'm going to go to where my things are on the desktop. I have a lot of things on the desktop, I'm sorry. I think it's called, what were they called? Wymon Average TSM. Okay, I'm going to open that. I want the means. It's going to ask me what kind of coordinate system I want it in. I'm going to have it in WGS84. You see this little window here shows me the extent of the layer and where the center of the layer is, okay, which is 0, 0 in latitude and longitude. I'm going to click OK. Okay, task complete. I can close this. Hello layer. Now if I look at it, what I can see is that I can choose here a single band, and I have band 1, band 2. I have 12 different bands, and each band corresponds to a month. Okay, so if I go like that, I can see different levels. So in black, low sediments, and in white, high sediments. Now you'll see that the poles are missing because a lot of the satellites don't do the poles. Okay, what we want to do now is find a region on Earth, and I'm going to just invent one. And I'm going to add a new shapefile layer, okay? And it's going to be a polygon, and I'm going to call it my zone, okay? And it's going to be in this WGS84, the same as the other one. And I'm going to go OK. Oh, I need to say where I'm going to save it. I'm sorry. File name. I'm going to click those little ones, and I'm going to call it my polygon, and I'm going to put it on the desktop. Okay, that's how the desktop gets messy. We said polygon. Okay, because I'm going to use, okay, here we go. Here is my polygon. Now I want to edit it, so I'm going to make, I'm going to close this little message here. I'm going to edit it, so I've opened this layer to edit. I can add features to it. I'm gonna left click, left click, left click, left click, right click. Let's give it a name, doesn't matter. Okay, so the right click closed the polygon. I'm done editing, so I'm gonna yes, I want to save. I'm gonna unclick that. Now I have these two layers.